friends, welcome to another show. Today is the 15th episode in the biology series. So today we are going to discuss about the skeletal system of the human body. So in the last episode of biology, we discussed about all of the human body systems. So now the skeletal system is what we are discussing. So the skeletal system is of course a body system. So the skeleton shapes and supports the body. That's why we are like this instead of just being this. Yes, instead of being just like a globe, something. So it also allows it to move and also it protects the internal organs of the body, like the eyes. Yes. So it is constructed from 206 bones. Yes, that's a lot. But if you thought it was a lot, when we were just born, it was 300 bones. But you may ask, how did it turn from 300 bones to 206 bones? The answer is, the bones fused together while we grew up. Yes, so they will fuse together when we are growing up. So together those bones create a framework that is strong but light. Yes, so that's why we are still standing here. So because of this framework, which is very strong. Yes, so without the skeleton, the body would collapse into a heap. Yes, so yet it is not a rigid structure. So flexible joints between bones allow the body to move like this. Yes, so when these bones are pulled by muscles, yes, so they will move when these bones are moved by another system, the muscular system. So we are going to discuss it in a later episode. Yes, so that's why we are going to move like this or any way. Yes. So the skeleton has other roles. So it protects delicate organs such as the brain and heart. Yes, it protects many organs inside our body. Yes. So bones also make blood cells and store calcium. So this calcium is a mineral that is essential for healthy teeth and healthy bones. Strong teeth and strong bones are because of this calcium. Milk has calcium too. Yes. So the collagen in bone constantly renews itself. So collagen is a part of the bone. So it is what makes up a bone. So about every 7 years, it will renew itself. So you will have a completely different skeleton structure. Yes, not structure but a completely new skeleton. So your old cells will be gone and a new skeleton will be there. Yes, so the skeleton is divided into two parts. So there are two parts, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. So first is the axial skeleton. So this forms a central core that supports the upper body and parts of the body. Yes, so it also protects many important organs. So it is like this, excluding these hands and legs. So it doesn't include hand and leg bones. So for example, a person is, wait a second, let me erase it. So, okay, the place is erased. Okay, so for example, this is a person. Yes, so this is a person with hands and legs. So this part will be the main axial skeleton, not only the part but also our head part. So the second type is the appendicular skeleton. So this consists of the arms and leg bones and the bony girdles. If you don't know girdles or these parts, so the place where the limbs connect to the body, the main axial skeleton body. Yes, so here the bony girdles are also included, so that connect them to the axial skeleton. So up to this part is the appendicular skeleton. So these two parts. So yeah. So this is what the appendicular and the exoskeleton look like. So now I'll show the bones of the human skeleton. So first over here is the cranium. So this is the cranium. It protects the brain, the nose and the eyes. Yes. So the cranium is this thing, the huge skull part. So this is the main skull, the upper skull to easy say. So this is the cranium. So next is the mandible. So the mandible is over here. It is the jawbone. Yes. So this, because of these we can open our mouth like that. Yes. So the next one over here is the column. If you don't know, this column is the spinal column. Yes, the spinal column. So this spinal column is also known as the vertebral column and is the spine. So it is also known as the vertebral column because this spine is made up of smaller bones called vertebrae. Yes. So they go like this. So they support the body. Yes. So the next one is the clavicle. Yes, so clavicle. So the clavicle is also known as the collarbone. So it is over here. Yes. So it is over here. So because of this we can connect the hands to the axial skeleton. Yes. So the next one is the scapula. Yes. So this scapula is over here. It is also known as the shoulder blade. So it is over here. It is like a blade. That's why it is also known as the shoulder blade. So it will be over here if you don't know. So this scapula also connects the arm with the shoulder. Yes. So the next one is also another S, the sternum. So yeah, the sternum is also known as the breastbone. It is over here. It connects most of the ribs, all of the ribs together. Yes. So next are the ribs. Yes, ribs, short for R. Yes, so the ribs are over here. There are 24 ribs in total. That means 12 pairs. Yes, so they go like this around the sternum and the vertebral column. Yes, so these are the ribs, and the ribs also protect many important organs like the lungs and the heart. Yes, so because of this we can protect our lungs and heart. Yes, so the next one is now in the arms. So this is the upper arm bone, the humerus. So this humerus is over here, the upper arm bone. So over here. So this bone is the upper arm bone. Yes. So the next one, there are two. So this is in the forearm, this part. Yes, if you don't know, also known as the lower arm. Yes. So there are two here. So this is the radius. So this outer part is the radius. So this is the outer forearm. This is the radius, and the inner forearm is the ulna. So it is over here. Yes. So yes. So in the hands now smaller bones. So here now are the carpals. So there are 8 carpals. So they are in the wrist of the hand. Because of them we can move our wrist like this. And also you can also feel it if we just touch it like this. Press it. So these are the carpals. There are 8 in total. Yes. The next are the metacarpals. So MC. So metacarpals are carpals but meta. Yes. So there are 5 in each hand. Yes. So these are over here. So if you here. So that's why if you place your hand, there's a gap. But if you place it here, it is very strong. Yes. So the next are called the phalanges. FP, not with an F but P. Phalanges, PH. Yes, so the phalanges are the bones over here in the fingers. And if you don't know, there are no muscles in the fingers. Yes, so the muscles controlling them are way over here. One fun fact if you don't know. So there are 14 phalanges in each hand. Yes, and also there are these phalanges in the legs. So these are the hand phalanges. And do you know why there are only 14? So in each finger except the thumb finger there are 3 phalanges bones. So there are 3. So here there are only 2 in the thumb. So that's why you can only see 2 joints, but here you can only see 3 joints. Yes. So that's why there are 3 phalanges. 14 phalanges. Yes. So 14 phalanges. So next is the pelvis. So the pelvis is made up of other parts also. So the pelvis is over here. So the pelvis has 3 main parts. So the sacrum is over here. Next, and the ilium. So the ilium is like over here. Yes. And also the last one is the coccyx. So this coccyx is like a bone. So it is an ancestral characteristics. Yes. So it was like once a tail, but now it's just a small useless bone which does nothing. Yes. So this one was once a big tail. Yes. So from our monkey ancestors. Yes. So the next one is the femur. So we now entered the leg. Yes, so it is the femur. If you don't know, the femur is also known as the thigh bone. So it is over here. Here. Yes, so it is the strongest bone, withstanding 4,000 newtons of force. If you don't know, newtons is the way to measure force. Yes, so it is very strong. Next one is the patella. So this patella is the kneecap bone. But for some reason there is no elbow cap bone, only the kneecap bone for some reason. I don't know why. Yes. So this is the patella. Next, again in the lower leg, which is not called the foreleg for some reason. So in this lower leg there are again 2 bones, the tibia and the other one is fibula. So the tibia is over here. Yes, so tibia is the strong, thick one. It is a bit thicker than the other one. So and the other one is fibula. So it is thin. So that's why you can feel a triangular shape in the lower leg. Yes, if you don't know, lower leg is under this kneecap. Yes, and finally in the feet. So here is the again tarsals. So tarsals are the equivalent of the carpals but in the feet. So these tarsals are a bit different from the carpals because the carpals are 8 in number but these tarsals are 7 in number. Yes, so that's a difference. So they are in the ankles area. Yes. So next is the metatarsals. Yes, tarsals also have metatarsals. So again there are 5 in each feet. Yes, each foot. Yes. So and finally phalanges again. Yes, phalanges also appear over here. So these are phalanges. And last and finally is the calcaneus. It is the ankle bone. Yes, and not the ankle bone but the heel bone. So it is over here back, but we can't see it in this diagram. Yes, so this is the calcaneus. So yeah, these are the bones, lots of bones, but again some bones have many other bones made up of them. Yes, so and also if you don't know, the smallest bone is in the ear. It is called stapes. It is just the size of a rice grain. One rice grain. Very, 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 very small. Yes, so this is for today about the skeleton system. Bye.